Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Cafe. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into part 4 of our travel series, How to Use English While Traveling. But here's the twist. Today's episode isn't just useful for travel. It's also for those moments when you're hungry and craving something delicious. Whether you're exploring a new city or just want to practice ordering food in English, this one's for you. So, let's set the scene. Last weekend, our curious English learner John had a serious craving. You know that feeling when you just need something tasty, right? That was John. It was a chilly Saturday evening in Canada. The lights were glowing, the streets buzzing with life, and John, feeling brave and a little hungry, decided to treat himself to a solo dinner at a local restaurant. He had never ordered food in English on his own before, but this time, he was ready to give it a shot. Let's follow John's journey and see how he ordered food at the restaurant. And along the way, you'll learn all the English phrases you need to do it too. Let's get started.
Hi, table for one, please.
Of course, right this way. Hi there. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. And maybe an iced tea?
Sure. Take your time with the menu. I'll be right back. Here you go. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'd like the double chicken burger with fries.
Great choice. Would you like anything else with that?
Do you have any soups today?
Yes, we have tomato soup and chicken noodle soup.
I'll take the tomato soup, please.
Perfect. So that's one double chicken burger and a tomato soup. Is that everything?
Yep, that's all.
John finishes his meal. The server returns.
How was everything?
It was really good, thank you. Can I get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Break down John's conversation and see what words and phrases he used to order his food at the restaurant. When John enters the restaurant, he says, "Table for one, please." Nice! That's a simple and polite way to ask for a seat. In the next scene, when the waiter asked, "Can I get you started with something to drink?" he said politely, "I'll have a glass of water, please." Great job, John. That's a polite and natural way to order a drink. While ordering the food, John used these helpful phrases. I'd like, do you have, I'll take. These are friendly and confident ways to order food. On being asked, how was everything, he replied with, it was very good, and added a thank you. Perfect. So he did not forget about gratitude. Then he asked for the bill. In the UK, we usually say bill. In the US, it's often called a check. Both are correct. And just like that, John did it. He walked in, ordered like a pro, and enjoyed a delicious meal, all in English. Now it's your turn. Try using these phrases the next time you go out, or even just practice at home with a friend. This is the English Cafe, where you don't just learn English, you live it. See you in the next episode.